And for the past half century, the San Diego Zoo Wildlife Alliance has kept an incredible archive, freezing the cells of multiple animal species.
And this is all done in the name of conservation. So we take a look inside the frozen zoo in this morning's Earth 8 report. When you think of the San Diego Zoo and the San Diego Zoo Safari Park, tanks, liquid nitrogen, and vials may not come to mind. What are we looking at here?
Okay, so this is one box from a rack in the frozen zoo.
The curator of the frozen zoo, Marlise Hook, shows us that in each box are dozens of vials holding the cells of more than 1,300 species and subspecies. You have a narwhal here.
That was kind of interesting. No one had grown a narwhal before, so we tried different techniques. We had enough material to try a few things.
Okay, and it grew. I really thought they were more like fairy tale stories, but they are real. Real, living cells frozen in time with the hope, if ever necessary, these animals can be saved. To see all of this right here and the potential this could have.
The potential for now and then again 50 years from now.
Each vial is filled with anywhere from 1 to 3 million cells that they grew from the skin of animals.
They attach on the bottom of a flask and they grow and divide. And it takes about a month on average until we have enough cells.
Notice right here, this is set at negative 196 Celsius. That's about negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit to keep these cells frozen. If it gets warmer than that, alarms will go off. They'll come quick and resolve the problem, cool everything down. And as another safety measure, there's a whole nother duplicate frozen zoo. This seemingly tiny sample represents a massive miracle of science. The Przewalski horse, known as the pea horse, was extinct. They needed a male to help rebuild the population. First came Kurt, a clone created from skin cells. Kurt was named after Kurt Bernishka, the founder of the frozen zoo, a man who in 1975 had the foresight to know banking each animal could be useful to conservation.
When the frozen zoo started, there wasn't the technology we have today.
Oliver Ryder, now director of conservation genetics, was there in the mid-1970s. Tell us what it's like for you to have been a part of this for this long.
What's been amazing to watch it grow.
Then came another Przewalski horse, this one named Ollie, after Dr. Oliver.
I want to say, long life and many children.
The frozen zoo also added genetic diversity to the black-footed ferret, down to only 7 on Earth in the late 1980s. They are now looking ahead.
An investment in biobanking is an investment in the future.
Now asking countries around the world to also bank specimens.
It's such a rewarding job. Every day we don't know what we're banking today. One day it might be a vaquita, one day it might be a whooping crane. And our job, the technicians in the lab, our job is to try to get those cells to grow.
Seeing how far they've come in the past 50 years, leave it to your wildest imagination for what the next 50 will bring. For Earth 8 at the Frozen Zoo, I'm Netta Iranpour. Now, if that name, Kurt Bernishka, sounds familiar, his son Rolf played for the San Diego Chargers back in the 70s and 80s. Rolf is now a huge supporter of the zoo. His father passed away at the age of 94 in 2018. So to know, now what we have learned, technology, how much it's advanced. I mean, back then, Kurt was like, let's just save these and see what happens. So just think 50 years from now, what will happen.